What's up guys, today we're going to show you glitches in Animal Company. But before we start, make sure to like and subscribe because if we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're going to do face reveal.
Subscribe!
Okay, let's go to the first one. Oh, it's a
Yeah, let's go.
car. There's a cheap car and an expensive car. Let's start with the cheap.
Yeah, so first you
The
want to
cheap
get
one
this
is this.
bag.
This is the cheap car. No,
Yeah,
this is
but
the cheap car.
this is a car. And we put that. Yeah.
No, bro, this is
Look
the
at
cheap
that.
car.
Yeah,
I do
that's the
that.
cheap. But this is the expensive car.
Here's the cheap car. Wait, guys, let's test it. No, guys, come. Isa, come. Guys, let's test this out in arena mode. You know the big space? Okay, who wants to ride my back? Somebody go on my back. We're gonna do, no, get the pogo stick. We're gonna double it. See how fast we go. No, first we have to go to arena mode. Guys, let's go to arena mode.
Can I do it too?
Yeah, somebody ride on my back. We're gonna see how fast it goes. 3, 2, 1. Bro, this thing is fast.
Yo, bro.
Okay, now your turn. Go on my back.
Wait,
Go on my back.
wait, bro.
Go on my back.
Get up. Somebody get on. Somebody get
No,
on.
just get on my back. Get on my back. You're on my. No. No, just go on my back. And then Bro, get on my back. Easy, get on my back. Just get on my back. You're the engine. I'm the steerer. No, just try gum. No, I already bought you one. Come. No, go on my back. Okay, ready? Ready to see how fast it goes? Wait, get a pogo stick. Double it. Pick it up. You're the engine. I am the steerer. Okay, just go on my back. Go on my back. See how fast it is? 3, 2, 1.
I'm looking
Turn. Tuk, tuk. I'm not trying to die. Okay. Now, guys, now let's try the expensive car.
Somebody get on. Somebody get on. Somebody get on.
Let's try to do let's do the expensive car. You need these items to do the expensive car. And then you just do that. That's the expensive car.
Who's that?
Bro, this expensive car is buns. No, bro, the pogo stick is way faster. Gotta get to like a Lambo. Let's go. Okay, guys, let's test out the airplane now. We need 2 boxes. You really bought that? Okay, now we're gonna do an airplane. Get 2 boxes. Isa. Yeah, you need 2 boxes. 1.
I didn't ask that.
Bro, Isa, buy 2 boxes for me to make the next trick. Yes, 1 and 2. Okay. Wait, give me the. Now you're gonna wanna lay it down. Wait, let's do it in the open.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna wanna lay 1 down. And wait, why did that go flying? Oh, maybe because we are gonna go flying. Okay, you gotta put 1 right there.
Bro, my ball!
Drop,
Damn.
and I'm flying.
Can you please not do that, please?
Guys, I'm flying. The glitch works.
How? Teach me,
You gotta
teach
put
me.
2 of them inside. Guys, watch. The glitch works. You need 2 boxes.
Come
Use the
here, come
glitch.
here, come here, please. Come here.
Okay, wait, I'm coming down.
So, okay, so
Isa,
what do I have to do?
this is how you do it. You glitch 2 of them, and then you just hit it, and then you should start flying. Like this. How about you try it? The video?
Can you do it for me?
Isa, start what?
No, please.
Wait,
no,
wait.
No.
Okay. Wait. Now the next glitch is pink.
Wait.
Is the small one.
No.
You get to fly if you
I
have
think
pink broccoli.
super shiny. I think yellow shiny.
Just keep, bro. Isa.
Yeah,
Keep
yellow.
on
How are you
broccoli
doing
so I can fly
that?
for this glitch? This glitch, I'm gonna fly.
Yes, how am I supposed to get these? Can you get them for me? They're too high. They're too small. I want to fly.
I'm just your friend. Who tried killing me?
Yeah, I don't know who that was.
How you fly? Huh. How do you fly?
You put one in and then you drop one. And then you should be able to fly like this. Yeah, you're
I'm flying.
Me too.
Look, I'm flying. Wait, I must start flying.
I'm back.
Goodbye.
I'm going to launch myself. Yeah. We all should be spectators. Why is anybody else spectator? Oh, I lost myself.
Oh, I'm there.
Ooh.
That hurt.
You what? For what? Happening. I hate them.
I don't have my
Yo, we're back. Okay, Isa.
Who are you? We're about to kick
Who
you.
is Mythbusting?
Kick
Who is
him.
the
Kick him.
Mythbuster? Kick who?
Kick. Kick.
Purple.
Who? I'm
Purple.
purple. I am not purple. I'm yellow.
No, this purple.
Isa. Isa, come.
I put myself offline.
Wait, let's go in. Come. Come. Yeah. Okay, come. Come. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We hit 1,000 subscribers. We're gonna do a face reveal. Bye. Oh my gosh, that's so hard.